Hey folks, what you're looking at right now is the 737-400 with the CFM56 engines that we just recently mounted. So what a beautiful engine right there. And then now let's look at the exterior of the aircraft itself. We have two engines. Oh, the APU making noise in the background, but it's okay. So let's check out the interior. All the seats are in, it's ready for go. And then the cockpit, we made sure that it's in full working order. The seats are okay. The P6 station, the instruments are alright. Let's go outside. And then we see one of our pilots inspecting the engines before takeoff, because now the aircraft was ready for flight. But before, let me take you back to our maintenance hangar and then show you around the CFM56 engine and give you a little concepts on how everything works there. So let's go back to the engine. Right, there we go, the CFM56. We have the intake right there, the nose cowl, and then the compressors. We have the ignition exciters, the engine oil. As you can see, it's on the stand before it was mounted on the aircraft. So we really put a lot of hard work in there. So, but we didn't really actually change much of the components. So now when you look at it, it looks okay, and then everything was fine. So now we have the exhaust cone, and then now back to the aircraft. You'll see how it fits. 100%. There she is. Whatever you do in the game of life, give it all you've got. The message of the day. Look how clear, beautiful, sunny day it is. So I'll see you around. I'll keep you updated. For now, goodbye.